Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. I'm your host, Derek Stormer. Today I'm going to show you the one cocktail I would drink that actually contains vodka. Outside of an espresso martini, but for that I'd like maybe like a chocolate vodka, like a 360 double chocolate. Not really a vodka, it's just the liqueur. But the only drink that I make that has vodka, this is it. It's called the Pearl Harbor. It fits into Tiki month because, well, it's a Hawaiian style drink. The Pearl Harbor gets its name from the color of the waters around Hawaii, especially around Pearl Harbor. It's got like that green tint to it, and it has pineapple juice, dual pineapple juice, which I also have seen in Hawaii. So that's what makes it a Hawaiian drink. Therefore, it's a Tiki drink. Plus, you've got to have something that's not brown or red for Tiki. Even if it's not a Tiki drink to you, it doesn't matter. It's still going to be good. Ready? We're going to make it. Here's the recipe breakdown. 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of Midori, 5 ounces of pineapple juice. That's it. Simple. Shake it and put it in here. Let's start with 2 ounces of vodka. I was digging through looking for vodka. I'm going to underscore this once. Don't care what vodka you use. One vodka is not going to make this drink taste any better or worse than another. You can use 3 times distilled, 8 times distilled. You could use Tito's. You could use Effin and New Amsterdam. I don't know, whatever the fuck that is. Zurich. Whatever. I'm using Score Premium Vodka because I like the fact that you can pour it from the top. And it says product of Ukraine. That's interesting. So, props out to Ukraine for your vodka. Come on, you can do it, Ukraine. Boom! Not a real lot in there left, so that makes it even harder because now I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Oh, by the way, it's called Score Premium Gourmet Quality Vodka. Distilled 7 times from grain. No, they didn't sponsor. They may have in the past. I don't remember how long I've had that bottle. Don't need this. 1 ounce of Midori. 1 ounce. This stuff is awesome. This entire bottle, I can guarantee you, has gone to Pearl Harbor's and Midori sours. That's it. I don't know what else to do with Midori. Probably use it for Halloween drinks because it's green. Oh, also those leprechaun things, like, I guess Irish for like St. Patrick's Day. Midori, I don't know. Midori, I believe, means green in Japanese or something like that. 5 ounces of pineapple juice in 2 ounce increments. And if you ever see us pour, and you don't think we're doing it very accurate, because we're probably not, because we're on the show. If you want to do this perfectly, you have to hit the very top of your jigger. So, for instance, I need 1 ounce left, right? So, because I've already need 5. If I just stop right there, that's not 1 ounce. That's actually a lot less than 1 ounce, because the top of this is the widest. So it doesn't matter how much you fill at the bottom, there's like barely a 1/4 ounce down there. The only way to get this to be perfect is right to the top, which makes it extremely hard to do this, right? And if you go to a bar, you'll see that they usually do it like this, and they'll just build it here and they'll pour it in, or they'll put it on top and pour it in. But if I do that, obviously you can see nothing. So if we want to pour it perfectly on the mat, we have to then lift it up and pour it in. So sometimes you'll watch the show and it won't be perfect. It's fine. We're Common Man Cocktails. We're not Perfect Man Cocktails. Ice it. Ice our drink. Boom. Got a little remaining ice here. And yes, you could use an ice thing that holds ice. I don't know where it went. But I don't care. I'm drinking it myself, so I'll use my hands. I've already had COVID. Who cares? Not that I think you get COVID from hand dirt, but give it a shake. I'd say for this drink, 10 seconds is fine. You'll find pineapple leaves a nice little foamy head, just like you made an espresso. If you have an espresso machine at home, it always leaves a little foam on the top because, I don't know, proprietary magic. Same thing, only this is for free. What the hell? Alright. Pour in here. Look at that. That's it right there. That's your Pearl Harbor. Oh yeah. It's a vodka drink, and I'm gonna put it in my mouth. Smells like pineapples. Now, tastes like pineapples, sweet pineapples, which is kind of, pineapples are already a little sweet. Midori, pineapple. That's it. You don't get any alcohol burn. You don't get any alcohol taste. I have tried to order this in Cancun, at resorts, Punta Cana. They have no idea. So you could explain it to them. If you get somebody who knows enough English and has the right ingredients, you could usually get them to build you one. I've done it. Instead of vodka, I typically would use a rum because I'm in the islands. So, for this, Bacardi would probably be also an equivalent product. You may get a little bit more flavor out of that. Good or bad, I don't know. Depends on if you like rum or not. I do, so it's fine. But the premise of this is you want like the sweetness, candy sweetness of Midori with pineapple juice. That's really what you're doing here. Surprisingly, not as sweet as you think it would be. Maybe because the vodka dilutes that a little bit. Probably. A little water in there. Only 1 ounce of Midori to the 5 ounces of pineapple juice. I don't think pineapple juice tends to come with the added sugars. Shit. It does have no added sugars, but there's 22 grams of sugar in there. So, lots of sugar, but they didn't put any extra, so you get that going for you. So that's nice. Pearl Harbor. Got the color, got the taste, easy drinking, sipping at the pool. Good between 2 potent tiki cocktails. Let's say the zombie and maybe a different zombie or a Mai Tai. Break it up. I would start with this as a drink or end with this as a drink. And then in the middle, that's when you do stupid things that you regret in the morning. That's it. Oh, sidebar. We got some tiki cocktails over there. Whole tiki month, plus a playlist that has every tiki cocktail that I've been able to remember that we did. Put it into the playlist. Down below, Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. You can go to awesomedrinks.com and you can get old fashions like this. You could get the kits for being able to shaking. You could get for being able to shaking. And you could get like this guy here, this gunmetal black shaker if you want. All those things are available in my store. That's how you support me. If you just can't click the join button or like and subscribe to the video, then go buy something at the store. Or just do all of those things. I'll smile for you. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.